Example. Use the given plan to write the two columns proof. Given angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, and the angle 1 and angle 3 are angle 1 congruent to angle 3. Proof angle 3 and angle 2 are supplementary. Okay, so you will do two columns and write the statement in the first one and the reason for the second one. First, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, and angle 1 congruent to angle 3. What is the reason? It's given. Excellent. I said, what is the second step if he give you two angles are supplementary? Excellent. Measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equal 180. From where you understood this, what is the reason of this? From the definition of supplementary angles. Measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equal 180. From where? From definition of supplementary angles. Okay, so I use the first information. Next, you must use the second one. Angle 1 congruent to angle 3. Given. And we said the congruent led to equality. So measure angle 1 equal measure angle 3. From where? From definition of the congruent. Right? Compare. Here angle 1 equal angle 3. So we can substitute angle 1 by angle 3. So measure angle 3 plus measure angle 2 equal 180. From where you understood this? This is substitution. If the two angles are, the summation of them equal 180, so they are supplementary. So angle 3 and angle 2 are supplementary. From where? From definition of supplementary angles. Okay. Another one. Angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. Angle 2 and angle 3 are complementary. Proof angle 1 congruent to angle 3. We will do the two columns. The first one, angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. Angle 2 and angle 3 are complementary. From where you understood this? It's given. Complementary. What is the next step? Measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equal, what is the meaning of complementary? Equal 90. And measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 equal 90 from the definition of the complementary angles. Concentrate. Here 1 and 2 equal 90. 2 and 3 equal 90. So we can substitute. Instead of 90, we can write this. So measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equal measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3, because measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equal 90 and measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 equal 90. So this equation equal this equation and both of them equal 90. So the first side equal the first side here. Okay. It's substitution. Okay. Concentrate. Here we have measure angle 2 and here also in the second side we have measure angle 2. And of course measure angle 2 equal measure angle 2 from where? It's a reflexive property of equality. They are same. So we can we can subtract both of them from both of sides. So what is the result? Measure angle 1 equal measure angle 3. Measure angle 2 equal measure angle 2. It's reflexive property of equality. So measure angle 1 equal measure angle 3. From where? From subtraction property of equality. I subtracted measure angle 2 from both of sides. If they are equal, equality led to congruent. So angle 1 congruent to angle 3. From where? From definition of the congruent angles. Understand?